Hi everyone, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss one more problem related to Ntse stage 2 2018, right? So this problem is related to the geometry part. Now let us move on with the question. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Now let us consider this triangle as triangle ABC, right? Next, AB is equal to AC he has given. So that means this side length is equal to this side length. So when these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So let I am considering these angles are some theta's. So let these angles be theta's. Then automatically this angle will be 180 degrees minus 2 theta. Right. Next, moving on to the question. So P and Q are the points on AC and AB respectively. So P is a point on AC and Q is a point on AB, such that, so for suppose if I consider this point as P, so when I join this, so this is my point P on AC, and there is one more point Q which is present on AB, such that he has given a condition that this BC length is equal to BP length is equal to PQ length is equal to some AQ length. Okay, so likewise he has given the conditions. Now he is asking you to find out the angle AQP. So this particular angle I need to find it out. Okay, so this particular angle I am going to find. Now let us see how we can chase this angle. So this particular questions are related to angle chasing. So that means finding out the angles, right? In triangle BPC, so if you observe, these two sides are equal. So when two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. That means if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta, right? When we are having two angles, then directly we can find out the third angle, right? So this I can write it as 180 degrees minus 2 theta. So this I can write as 180 degrees minus 2 theta, right? So when this is 180 degrees minus 2 theta, then what about this angle? So this angle directly, how can I do it? So since this whole angle is theta, so from theta I need to subtract that 180 minus 2 theta. So theta minus of 180 minus 2 theta. So minus of minus is plus. So theta plus 2 theta is 3 theta. So this angle I can write it as 3 theta minus 180 degrees. Now let us see this triangle. Triangle BPQ. So observe this triangle BPQ. So in triangle BPQ, again this side length is equal to this side length, right? Then their opposite sides are equal. That means this side length's opposite angle is this, and this side length's opposite angle is this. So already this angle is 3 theta minus 180 degrees. Then this angle I can write as 3 theta minus 180 degrees, right? Now if you observe this particular angle, so this total angle is 180 degrees because it is a linear pair. That means we can find out this particular angle, so this particular part, by subtracting 180. So by subtracting from 180 degrees this particular angle, then this I can write it as 180 degrees, so minus 3 theta minus 180 degrees. Now when I simplify this, what I am going to get? So minus of minus 180 becomes plus 180. Then this becomes 360 degrees minus 3 theta. So this particular angle is 360 degrees minus 3 theta. Okay. Now in this particular triangle, triangle BPQ, if you observe this angle, we can find it out, right? So how can I find it out? So here this two angles are equal, 3 theta minus 180, 3 theta minus 180. So if you want to find the third angle, what we can do? Simply from 180 we need to subtract those values. So 180 degrees minus of sum of these two angles, 3 theta plus 3 theta is 6 theta, minus 180 is minus 360 degrees, right? So when I simplify this, so minus of minus 360 is plus 360, 180 plus 360 is 540 degrees minus 6 theta. So 540 degrees minus 6 theta is this particular value, right? So 540 minus 6 theta we got here. Now I can find out this particular angle now, right? So here also we are going to have 3 parts. So these 3 parts add up to 180 degrees. So these 3 parts add up to 180 degrees. So what are all those 3 parts? So this part I need to find it out. So if I want to find this part, then I need to subtract 180 minus these 2, right? So what is the value that I am going to get? So from 180 degrees I need to subtract this particular angle. So what is that? 540 degrees minus 6 theta, and I need to subtract theta also. So from this what I am going to get? 180 degrees minus 540 degrees, minus of minus is plus 6 theta minus theta. So this gives me 6 theta minus theta is 5 theta. So 5 theta minus, again I am going to get 360 degrees. So this is nothing but the value. So this value is nothing but 5 theta minus 360 degrees. But if you observe triangle A, Q, P, these two side lengths are equal, right? So when these two side lengths are equal, that means these two angles should be equal. So when two side lengths are equal, then their opposite angles are equal now. So this 180 degrees minus 2 theta is equal to 5 theta minus 360 degrees. So from this what I can write? So 180 degrees minus 2 theta is equal to 5 theta minus 360 degrees. By rearranging, so when I transpose this 2 theta, it becomes plus 2 theta, which gives me 7 theta. If I transpose this minus 360 degrees, this gives me 540 degrees. So here in the question he has given pi is equal to 180 degrees. So 540 degrees means 3 180s. So I can write it as 3 pi is equal to 7 theta. So from this theta is equal to 3 pi by 7. The value of theta is 3 pi by 7. But my question is to find out this particular angle, right? So what is this particular angle value? 360 degrees minus 3 theta. So from this finally the value of angle A, Q, P is equal to 360 degrees. I can write it as 2 pi minus 3 theta. So already theta is 3 pi by 7. 3 theta means 3 into 3 pi by 7, which is nothing but 9 pi by 7. So 7 into 2, 14. 14 minus 9 is 5 pi by 7. Hence the answer is 5 pi by 7. So this is my required answer. So the answer is 5 pi by 7. So likewise we can chase the angle so given in the question, right? So thank you for watching the video. So if you are not connected with the channel, so please subscribe the channel and share with your friends, right? So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting.